question is taken from Goa board paper, March 2026 paper it is. So take down the question. Find the solution of the following pair of linear equation graphically. 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 5. So here the table is given. You all can write down 2x plus y is equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 5. Rewrite and complete the table. Plot at least 3 points for each line on the graph paper. So write down this. First you all can take value of x to be 0. Next 2 and any random numbers you can keep, okay, no problem, but keep the easier number, it will be better. So I have kept here odd numbers only. So write down 2x plus y is equal to 8. So if I take x to be 0, here it will be, this full value will be 0, y will be 8. So here you all can write down 8. So here it will be, if I take 2x plus y is equal to 8, if I take x value to be 2, I will get 2 2s are 4 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 4 will be y is equal to 4. So here I will get 4. Next I have to take 4 and do, right? 2x plus y is equal to 8. So here 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 8. So 2 4s are 8 plus y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 8. Y is equal to 0 you will get. Okay. So here you all can write down 0. So 840 I got, right? So copy till here, okay? Don't copy the something which is above and all. This is something different. Yeah. So x value here you all can take 035 I will take 035. Okay, so here x plus y is equal to 5. If I take x value to be 0, so y will be equal to 5, right? Next, if I take x plus y is equal to 5, if I take x value to be 3, y is equal to 5 minus 3 will go on other side, so y is equal to 2 you will get, right? I hope you all know how to solve this. I am doing very quickly way. So x plus y is equal to 5. Now take this 5, x to be 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 5. Y you will get 0. Okay. So 5 to 0 you will get. Now I can start plotting. So let us plot. So all the values I got in positive, right? So this will be 0, this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this one will be what? Wait, let me write down this. This is 0, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So basically this is our x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. So this is a positive sides. So it will be negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This part is not required, okay? But still I will do this and keep. This is not required. Only this and this will be required. So what are the points? 0, 8. So on x-axis 0 is there, on y-axis 8 is there. So circle this. Next 2 is there, right? On x-axis 2, y-axis 4. Here it is. On x-axis 2, y-axis 4. See, x-axis 2 is there, y-axis 4. Next is 4 on x-axis and y on 0 on y-axis. Okay. So join this line. Then you all have to write the equations and the points. So here it will be x-axis was 0, comma 8. Here it is 2, comma 4. Here it is 4, comma 0. Right? So write this and keep 2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay. Next what we have is this one. On x-axis 0, 3 and 5 is there. So 0, 3, 0 and 5. 0 and 5. Y-axis 5. So circle it. Then 3 here and here y-axis 2. Okay. Next will be y-axis will be this and here it will be this one. 5. X-axis. Okay. Join this line now. So here it was 0, 5. Here it was 3, 2. And the last one here it was 5, 0. 5, 0, right? And this line was x plus y is equal to 5, right? So now x, it is intersecting exactly over here, 3 and 2. So you all can write down. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So I hope you have understood how to do the graph part, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below. Okay.